So the first weekend after quitting, the weekend, it's a special weekend. The first and the second, they are quite a bit special. So what's happening? Because you are not through your routine daily life of working, being with your friends, etc. So might you will feel Friday or Saturday, if that's your weekend day. For many countries, that's Friday and Saturday. Then might you would like to feel that you don't have any responsibility, there is no commitment, and that's it could be implemented with a commitment of quitting smoking. So be careful, but don't worry, prepare yourself, take some of the medicine with you, especially anti-craving or a clinic cigarette or the fresh pen as well. They are quite good, quite helpful. Anti-smoking, anti-nicotine spray as well is very powerful. Take them with you and go and throw yourself with any environment. If people smoking there is no problem. If there is a party, we advise you to attend this party. If there are some people drink and you used to drink alcohol, that's fine. If you don't used to drink alcohol, no problem. But if you used to drink alcohol, we advise you do it today. Okay? So don't avoid alcohol at all. Rather drink it, but drink it in a reasonable way. Okay? That's very, very, very essential. And then next day you wake up, you will feel much better. Even alcohol tastes much better without smoking than with smoking, as many people mention. And next day you wake up, there is no headache, nothing like this. But then it's coming Sunday, where there is no activity, nothing socially. Here Sunday always it's implemented with more craving sometime. Why? Because we used to smoke when we are doing something, but even we used to smoke more when we are doing nothing. So that's why the first Sunday it could be a little bit reluctant. Therefore, we advise you to have the activity list available around you so you can use it, or take a little trip out to the nature or whatsoever. It's just the first 2 weekends will be a little bit challenging, but don't worry about them. Take the aids, take the equipment with you, the medicine, and go and administrate your life as normal. The only thing it's out of your life is just cigarettes and nicotine, but your life have to go on as usual. There is another thing I would like to mention here for people who are having problem for smoking in the morning, the early cigarette, the morning cigarette. We used always to wake up, having a shower, and then sitting to the table, eating some food. And then after food, we would like to have the newspaper, read a little bit or talk, and then the craving come. In this situation, I advise you to switch a little bit your habit. Never go to have your shower before you take your breakfast, for example, and take your coffee or tea. Then if you feel the craving, you go and take your shower. This little switch, the first few days, it will help. But after 1 week, this morning temptation, it will be over. So there is nothing to fear. That's about how to deal with the first 2 weekends after quitting. Any question, please list it down. We'll try to reply you as soon as possible. And the second video, it will be about the second week of quitting, which challenge and which reaction you will have. That's what we are going to talk about in the second video. Thanks for your time.